Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check a flight status using the flight number in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and at the Fly with Turkish Airlines section, click on the flight status button, and at the top click on the flight number option. So in order to look for your flight's status, just enter your flight number and the date of the departure, and then just click on the search flight button, and your flight will appear on the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.